I scrolled down the Insta page, saw a picture that I didn't want to see. You had his hand around your waist and a smile on your face, like the way you look at me. It was only 8 months ago, he was holding your hand, slow dancing and kissing the top of your head. And I don't know how to compete with that, cause you were friends since you were kids, and it still feels like we just only met. Yeah, I was so naive, thinking that you've only felt this way for me. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, cause they all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me I got no real reason to worry. My mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other husband. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one? The last one. I've heard stories about exes calling up brides on their wedding day, professing all the love from a once upon a time that they threw away. And the fear that I'm fighting is constantly rising in the back of my mind, is that you'll finally open up your eyes, that you'll leave me for another guy. Yeah, it's a scary truth that maybe I don't know you in the way they do. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, cause they all got a little bit of history. Even when you try to tell me that I got no real reason to worry. My mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other husband. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one? Do you think I'm gonna be the last one? Baby, the hardest part is fighting back this anxious heart. But I've come to realize that if we don't have trust, then we might as well have nothing. But old boyfriends still scare me. They all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me I got no real reason to worry. My mind keeps on imagining things I know aren't happening. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other half. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one? Last one. Do you think I'm gonna be the last one?
The birds fly down as the light meets your eyes. Hold on to your dream. Oh, I know you wanna scream. Since the day you're born, you're just a flower on your own, waiting for the sun to blossom, hoping to break through the storm. Wings lightly touching your soft skin. It's gonna be bright and now or never by my side. Need of days, you don't be shy. Nobody changes, they just lie. Take your face by the end. Time to conquer your own land. Need of days, you don't be shy. Nobody changes, it's time to conquer your own land.
It's cold aside. Let's stay home and play. I got so many funny games we could do today. And we can compare inside our bed.
Sells loads on the internet. How that works, I have no idea.
Well, we have to upload the
This
application.
long night lasts. And I love to play this games with you. All is set, our players is strictly to. I know the hours of the week we'll be playing hide and seek, knowing in the end of the day we'll do it all again. I'll be counting out to 10, thinking that I cannot see you. And look at the rain, and that's so enticing.